So many of you have asked for a review of K18's new HeatBounce. I think it's brilliant. Let me tell you why. Hello and welcome to the world of Craig. Yes, that's me, I'm Craig, and this is my channel where we get into all things hair and sometimes a little bit of beauty. K18's brand new HeatBounce. Yes, so many of you have asked me to review this. I needed a little bit of time before I could do a review because I needed to test it out on all of my clients, lucky clients, and that's exactly what this video is going to be. Very briefly, this was gifted to me from K18. I am their education ambassador. I haven't done anything with them for a little while, but there might be some stuff coming up. Basically, I am on a 0 hours contract and I deliver education for the brand. This video is not sponsored. I wouldn't use K18 on my clients, have it in my session bag if I didn't think the line was brilliant. Very briefly before we get into what this is, what HeatBounce is, have you noticed? Yeah, nothing is by chance here on my channel. K18 is an innovative line of products that started off with the molecular mask, the leave-in molecular mask. There's an entire K18 playlist here on my channel full of videos. I get asked lots of K18 questions, and I'm pretty sure that that playlist has a video that covers everything. All of the products have their own dedicated video, and then there are also some Q's and A's. So, HeatBounce, what is it? So what exactly is HeatBounce? Well, it's a conditioning, detangling, heat protection spray that gives you protection up to 450 degrees centigrade, 230 degrees, 32 degrees, yes, don't forget those extra 2, Fahrenheit, okay? It helps to detangle the hair, and it really does give the hair lots of slip. We will be looking at the ingredients a bit later on. I'll pop them on the screen so we can go through them. And it contains the K18 peptide, which is patented to the line. Remember, I get a lot of comments about people wanting me to give you a dupe for K18. I can't because the ingredients are patented. The peptide is patented to the line. It will only ever be in these products, and that is what you're paying for, the innovation. I think they're some of the most innovative products I've ever used in the 38 years I've been hairdressing. Silicone free. Okay, so if you're the silicone police, nee-nah, this is a great one for you. But I think it's something that a lot of people have been waiting for with the line. I mean, I did generally get lots of comments and lots of DMs on when was I going to review it, because people were seeing me using it. So in a nutshell, it's a multi-use product that does heat protect, but it also repairs deep in the hair's cortex at the same time. Counterintuitive, heat protection, repair at the same time, but that's exactly what it does. How do you use it, I wonder? Of course, I completely forgot to mention, it's a spray, yes, so it's very easy to apply. Also to mention that it is a very lightweight formula, so it's great for all hair textures. In my opinion, this would be more of a kind of like concise heat shield over the repair oil, because this is more of a spray, and it's probably, with the repair oil, you're going to have to use a lot of it in order to get maximum heat protection, whereas this you would use very little. A little goes a long way. I have already inserted on screen some footage of the actual texture. It has a viscous, slightly milky, creamy texture. I have found that this isn't heavy. I've used it on all textures of hair. It does make the hair silky soft. It's incredible to layer over the top of the molecular mask. That's what you would do. The molecular leave-in mask would go on first. You would wait your 4 minutes, and then this would go over the top. Then you would wait another 4 minutes, and then you could put whatever other styling you wanted on the top. This is fantastic. Layered with, if you put over the top of this, put this on first, then over the top you put the Astro Lift that I've already mentioned. I will insert a picture of the gorgeous Heidi at the Downton Abbey premiere. She had a molecular leave-in mask, then I popped this over the top of that, and then I put Astro Lift. It was literally raining this way, and her hair lasted. So amazing. So it's very good to layer with other K18 products. But what you're always going to get from this is that incredible heat protection and repair in the cortex. It's just sprung to my mind that people will say, well, how much exactly do I use? I don't know. I can't answer that because I can't see you. How much you will use will depend on the thickness, density, length of your hair. I have already mentioned it is super concentrated. I would suggest that once you've sprayed it in, I have also been spraying it into my hand, and I can't believe how well that matches, spraying it into my hand and then rubbing it through finer textured hair where I haven't wanted to use too much. But how much you use, how long is a piece of string? I can't tell you. It is entirely up to you. This contains, let's talk about the innovation before we look at the ingredients. RESILICORE technology, okay? As I've already said, all of K18's formulations are unique to the brand. Sometimes product labs, product brands, companies, that's the one, go to a lab and buy something that might already be on the market, but they just change it very slightly. No, that's not what K18 does. Lots and lots of innovation with scientists whom I have met who are all fabulous goes into these products. So RESILICORE technology is something that uses proteins. It won't over proteinize the hair. It's using, because I know that that's the thing on the internet, it uses proteins that are found in nature, and you'll see that in a second in the ingredients list, to shield the hair whilst at the same time imparting the K18 peptide. So it's almost like heat shielding from the outside in. And it's often with our hair when we use heated appliances, heated tools, blow dryers, or even, to be honest, the sun, when we do those things to our hair, it's the internal structure of our hair, I have a video all about that gets damaged. So this is protecting from the outside in with that RESILICORE technology. Right, what's in it? Okay, what is in the formula? Let's have a quick look, because it really is a very clever, my glasses are so filthy, hold on. I'm back and I can read my iPad. So if I pop the ingredients on screen, you will see immediately that the peptide, the K18 peptide that is patented to the line, is very high on the ingredients list. That means that this is going to also repair the hair as it does the heat shielding. Then if we look further down the ingredients list, hydrolyzed barley protein. So that is a plant protein that is helping to do the shielding. Really clever, because as I've already said, this is silicone free. A lot of heat protectors do contain silicones or things that are like silicones that do form a film. They're not bad, but they are film formers. This is using proteins that are heat resistant, natural proteins that are heat resistant. Then there is sunflower seed oil. Sunflower seed oil, I know from my research and development work, is a natural heat protectant. It also helps to protect from the sun. Very cool ingredient, really love it. Rice bran extract, that also helps to protect the surface of the hair. So they're all, and there's also some rosemary leaf extract. I haven't had any technical training on this as someone that does freelance work for K18, so I am just reading this as somebody that loves formulas and is a bit of a nerd. There's rosemary leaf extract. I'm not sure what what that is doing in the formula. Then as we move down, we've got citric acid, we've got arginine. Arginine is an amino acid, so it's very good for the hair. Citric acid is great for managing pH. There's also, I think, did I see earlier on, lactic acid in there too? Yes, that also helps to manage the hair's pH. The hair likes to be acidic. Those ingredients help that. And then it has cocoa glucoside. Now that's a very interesting ingredient and something you don't see in a lot of products. It's very innovative, but cocoa glucoside is what gives the hair the slip, and it's from coconuts. So, a really great, some of you will be interested to know that the fragrance, I think this is one of the more fragranced K18 products. It has a kind of vanilla-y smell to it. I find that when you spray the product out onto the hair or onto your hand, put it into the hair, the smell, it smells quite fragrant, and then as you work it through the hair, the fragrance kind of dissipates. But it is a fragrance, I'm looking at it, it's over there, that a lot of people really like and enjoy when I've used it on their hair. Marvellous. So to conclude, if you want a very innovative formula that helps to shield your hair from high heat whilst it repairs from the outside in, then HeatBounce might be for you. As I've already mentioned, there's an entire K18 playlist that is packed full of videos. Each product has its own one and they're Q&As. There's even how to do a full pro treatment. There's everything in that playlist. And of course, as always, if you enjoy this video and find it helpful, you know exactly what to do. You sharing this with a friend, giving it a like means that my content gets pushed out to more people. And if you do like it, then YouTube now has a new function that's called hype. So a little box might open and then you get the chance to say whether you really like the video or not. And if you click on that, then YouTube will push my content out to more people. It's kind of innovative, but it might be tricky for people to grasp. We'll see how that goes. Have you got a favourite K18 product? I would absolutely love to know. And if you have any questions about the line, please leave them in the comments. A huge thank you for watching this if you've got to the end. You all take lots of care and I'll see you all in the next one.